Replacing or installing windows in your home or business in Brandon is a significant investment. Whether you're upgrading for better energy efficiency, enhancing curb appeal, or improving security, proper window installation is essential for long-lasting results. However, many homeowners and contractors alike make common mistakes that can lead to costly repairs and inefficiencies. Understanding these errors and how to avoid them will help ensure a successful window installation project. Incorrect measurements. One of the most frequent mistakes in window installation is improper measurements. Even a small miscalculation can result in windows that don't fit properly, leading to gaps, air leaks, and difficulty opening and closing. How to avoid it? Measure multiple times before ordering windows. Take 3 measurements: top, middle, and bottom for width, and left, center, and right for height. Always follow the manufacturer's sizing recommendations. When in doubt, consult with a professional installer. Poor sealing and insulation. Improper sealing and insulation can cause drafts, energy inefficiency, and even water leaks, which may lead to mold and structural damage. How to avoid it? Use high-quality caulk and weather stripping around the window frame. Ensure all gaps and spaces are filled with proper insulation materials, such as expanding foam or fiberglass insulation. Check for air leaks after installation and seal any openings. Ignoring the local climate. Brandon experiences varied weather conditions, from hot summers to cold winters. Choosing the wrong type of windows or failing to consider climate factors can lead to energy loss and discomfort. How to avoid it? Choose energy-efficient, double or triple pane windows with low emissivity, low E, glass to help regulate indoor temperatures. Ensure windows have proper UV protection to minimize heat gain. Select weather-resistant materials like vinyl or fiberglass to withstand local weather conditions. Not checking for proper window alignment. A window that isn't level or square can lead to operational issues, gaps, and premature wear and tear. How to avoid it? Use a level during installation to ensure proper alignment. Make adjustments before securing the window permanently. Confirm smooth operation by opening and closing the window several times before sealing. Over-tightening screws or fasteners while securing windows firmly is necessary. Over-tightening screws can warp or damage the frame, affecting the window's functionality. How to avoid it? Tighten screws just enough to hold the window in place without distorting the frame. Use shims to provide even pressure and prevent warping. Neglecting the flashing and waterproofing. Flashing is crucial in preventing water from seeping into your home. Improper or missing flashing can lead to leaks and costly water damage over time. How to avoid it? Use high-quality flashing tape and follow the manufacturer's instructions for proper placement. Apply waterproof barriers to prevent moisture infiltration. Inspect the area after installation to confirm no water can enter. Rushing the installation process A rushed window installation often leads to overlooked details, improper sealing, and overall poor workmanship. How to avoid it? Allocate enough time to complete the installation carefully and correctly. Follow all installation guidelines from the manufacturer. If you're unsure about any step, seek professional assistance. Skipping a final inspection. Failing to inspect your work after installation can result in unnoticed issues that could cause problems later. How to avoid it? Check for any air leaks, gaps, or misalignments. Test the window's operation multiple times. Confirm that all sealing and insulation steps have been properly completed. Final thoughts. Avoiding these common window installation mistakes in Brandon will save you time, money, and frustration. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or hiring a professional, careful planning and attention to detail are key to a successful installation. If you're unsure about tackling the job yourself, it's always best to hire a certified window installer to ensure high-quality results that enhance your home's energy efficiency, appearance, and comfort for years to come.